uh, law of attraction is basically believing that if you have positive or negative thoughts can bring positive or negative experience in person's life. So somebody had requested me to go back on the previous slide. If you read any of these books, Think and Grow Rich, Power of Subconscious Mind, Success Through Positive Mental Attitude, or The Secret, or there are n number of such books where a man who sold his Ferrari, any book you read, somewhere or the other, you will realize that the author talks about changing the person's life, change happening in person's life after the way he started thinking got changed, right? So what we say is what you choose to focus on will grow. When you think about problems, you will have more problems. When you think about opportunities, possibilities, you will have more opportunities. Right. So we spoke about there are some 50 to 60,000 thoughts that cross our mind every day. Out of these, 80% thoughts are negative. So why do we think negative? Because our early we lived in caves. Our environment has changed a lot compared to what we were before. So we were staying in caves. Now we are staying in colonies. However, our brain or our mind has not changed much in comparison to the environment which has got changed. So we still think negative because when we were living in caves, we were probably the weakest. Every living species was bestowed by God some protection mechanism to save itself. However, human beings were considered to be one of the weakest species that survived on the earth when they were in caves, when they were living in caves. Now, the interesting part of these thoughts are 90% of these thoughts are repetitive. So it is like saying I am having almost 55 thoughts every minute. Out of these 44 thoughts are negative. Out of these 90% are going to be repeated. So out of these 35 thoughts are going to be repeated. I am going to have the same tomorrow also, maybe day after, maybe day after day after. So these thoughts are going to repeat. Now what happens is once we start getting into negative mode, start thinking negative, those negative thoughts will manifest. They will grow in your mind. They will become bigger. They will repeat in yourself, and that will become a reality for you. So we can reverse this negativity by using law of attraction. So we can consciously use law of attraction once we understand it, and we can reap the positive benefits. When I say law of attraction, and when we talk about positive thinking and negative thinking, so positive thinking and negative thinking are two sides of the same coin, right? So they are not different, they are two sides of the same coin. For example, for instance, a person XYZ in an accident, in an unfortunate accident, loses his legs, loses his limbs. So what happens to this person? What is his thought process? Anybody can unmute and tell me or use the chat box.
Can be two processes, like one positive, one negative.
Wow, wonderful. So what can these two be?
The positive can be that he's still alive, he should be thankful for that.
Right.
Negative can be his hand or something is broken or he's bedridden something. Maybe.
Right. So thank you very much, Rashida. That was so great and so true. So uh, situation is the same. The person has met an unfortunate accident and he has lost his leg. Now the negative thought would be now I have lost my leg, so I have become I am now physically challenged. I will not be able to do what I was doing before, and that may lead him to anxiety or depression. He may start thinking, why me? Why did I lose? Why this has to happen to me? I have been driving so carefully all my life. It was not my fault. The truck had come from the other direction. The truck was going in the wrong direction. The driver need to be punished. What did I do wrong in my life? I have been so kind. I have been so considerate. I have been such a good human being. So those kind of thoughts can further lead him, lead him into anxiety and depression. The other side is the positive side, where first of all we can thank God that he is still alive, so he's still breathing. He only lost his leg. he can still think, he can still work in new situation to find how he can live his life better. So even in this situation, he can start working and finding out ways how can he live his life better. Right. He can be thankful to God that he has got time now. He can live with his family. He can spend time with his family. And there is a new development now. He doesn't have a leg, but still there are a lot of things he can do in this new uh, second inning, you can say, or second part of his life. So negative thinking and positive thinking is the way we see the situation. The situation doesn't change. Situation remains the same. How we see that situation makes all the difference in our lives.